Hi guys, welcome back to the Evolver. Today I'm going to show you one product I just received. Recently I ordered through Facebook. Let's open and check. Yep, it's Oculus Quest 2. Oculus Quest 2. This is how the box looks like. Okay, let's unbox this Oculus Quest. Nicely wrapped. Put to the side. So this is Oculus Quest 128 GB. So what is inside in this that box? VR headset, silicone cover for facial interface, 2 touch controller, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, glass spacer, and charging cable. So when you order this is $299 from Oculus website, and yep. So it also says it's require Facebook account. So let's slide it open. Okay, so that's the cover. Let's give you backward compatible, and it says it's backward compatible. So whoever has Oculus Quest account or Oculus use before, all the games, I think all that material will work with Oculus Quest 2. So it's backward compatible. So this is the box. There's nothing on any other side, just sign for Oculus. Oh, okay. So when you open, it's open like this, and that's how it sits. 2 controller, headset, another controller, and they have some little instruction. Let's open. I think this is the charging board. Yep, charging cable and some instruction booklet. To the place, give you USB-C charging cable and USB-C charging adapter. This is controller, you can see. Joystick, button, touch sensitive control. The booklet, and the controller comes with this strap, and this is battery release. So it's a nicely packed. Okay, this is the headset, and this is the spacer they're talking about. And that's all. So this was the unboxing for Oculus Quest 2. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.